Welcome to Fixing Expert. If you're diving into a vinyl plank flooring project, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top tools you'll need to get those perfect cuts for a flawless finish in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, these tools will make your job easier and more precise. So, let's get into it. Section 1, Utility Knife. First up is the good old utility knife. This tool is a must-have for any vinyl plank flooring project. It's perfect for making straight cuts and scoring the planks before snapping them. The key here is to use a sharp blade, which gives you clean edges and reduces the chance of cracking the plank. Section 2, Jigsaw. For more intricate cuts around corners, the jigsaw is your best friend. Its small blade and high maneuverability make it ideal for cutting curves and odd shapes. A fine-tooth blade is recommended for vinyl to prevent chipping. Make sure to mark your cuts clearly and take your time. Precision is key. Section 3, Circular Saw. If you need to cut multiple planks quickly, especially for long, straight cuts, the circular saw is the way to go. Pair it with a fine-tooth blade for smooth cuts and less debris. This tool is especially useful if you're working on a larger project and need to cut through several planks at once. Always use clamps to secure the planks and wear safety gear when using this powerful tool. Section 4, Vinyl Cutter. Next, we have the vinyl cutter. This tool is designed specifically for cutting vinyl plank flooring, making it an excellent investment if you're planning multiple projects. It works much like a paper cutter but for vinyl planks. It's fast and provides a straight, clean cut every time. No power source needed, just line up the plank, apply pressure, and snap. And there you have it, the top tools for cutting vinyl plank flooring in 2024. With these tools in your arsenal, you're all set to tackle any vinyl flooring project with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fixing Expert for more tips and tricks on home improvement projects. Thanks for watching, and happy flooring!